Hey there, I'm going to show you how to install the Ethereal theme on a Divi install. This is a temporary website where I install the Divi theme, and it's just really just has the basic out of the box thing, but I want to show you how to install the Ethereal theme. This is the Ethereal theme. So out of that blank skeleton Divi theme, we're gonna make this. So let me show you the files that I have that I created. So when you purchase this theme, you're gonna have the Divi Builder layouts. You're gonna have the Divi Customizer, the Ethereal Divi Theme Options, and the Theme Builder. So those are all the files you need. So I'm going to show you where you need to put them. We're going to start with a theme customizer. Let's go there. And then as you can see, there's this little arrow thing. Click on that, and you're going to click on import. And then you choose file, wherever you downloaded your files, but I have them in, on okay, so Ethereal Divi Customizer Settings.json. That's what you need. So click import. Got that? Okay. Waiting. Okay. So that part's done. Go to the dashboard. And where it says theme options, it has so you're gonna have to go to the dashboard, and under where it says Divi, there's a little button that says theme options, if you could see that. So we're gonna go to the little import and export thing, and we're gonna import the theme options file. So theme options, click that, import. Waiting. And there you go. That's done. And then we're going to go, then we're going to go to where it says the theme builder, because I have a file for that as well. So theme builder, little arrows, portability, import. Going to select theme builder, Divi builder, theme builder. There we go. That's the one you need. Ethereal Divi Theme Builder.json. And that's where we're going to put that. So we're going to import it. Okay, there we go. We're going to do the Divi Library. Oop, I got to save them. Make sure you press Save Changes with the Divi Theme Builder. And then we're going to go over to where it says the Divi Library, because that's where I have all those pages that I designed. So we're going to import and we're going to export. Click that. So we're going to import. Choose the file. Divi Builder Layouts.json. I'm going to import that. Waiting. Okay. Okay, so we got all my pages that I built in here. So we got all the pages in here. So now I'm going to show you how you can build your pages. Do a home page. We're going to do the home page. Okay. That's the home page. Then I'm going to say use the Divi Builder. Start building. So I have like all of those layouts for the website. So we're going to choose a pre-made layout and go to your saved layouts, and that's where you're going to find all the ones that you downloaded. So this is the Ethereal Theme homepage. And just say press use this layout, update, and let's see how it looks. There we go. Well, that's the home page, and that's exactly what it's supposed to look like. But I don't really have all the pages in there that I need. So I'm going to create them so you can see what they look like. So I went ahead and I created all the pages so I can show you how you can apply the layouts that I created to each of the pages. So I already showed you the home page. So we're going to go to service page. Well, actually, I didn't create a home page. Let me see. Let me just create. Okay, so we're going to go to the About page. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Enable Visual Builder. And then choose a pre-made layout. So go to your Save Layouts and then choose About page. There you go. That's the layout. Click Save. Okay, and then exit Visual Builder. Then we're going to go to Services. Enable Visual Builder. Choose a pre-made layout. Go to your Save Layouts. Services page. Use this layout. Click Save. There we go. That's your services page. Exit Visual Builder. Then we'll go to the events page. Now, I don't have the plugin installed, but I can show you that in another video for the events page, but we're gonna make sure it's there. The events page is ready and set up to add that plugin. Okay, so there's the events page. Use this layout. Save. Okay. There's your events page. That's the shortcut I have. I'm sorry, the short code. So, but I don't have it installed yet, but I'm going to do another video where I'm going to show you all the plugins that I use for this. So if you want it to look exactly the way I made it, then I'll show you the plugins that I installed and what to do with them. So we're going to exit that. Go over to the blog, enable Visual Builder, choose a pre-made layout, Ethereal Theme blog page, use this layout. See, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going to go through it because even though I know it's probably a little bit tedious, just so you know, and how it looks. You could always fast forward. So, and then we go to the contact page, enable Visual Builder. Choose a pre-made layout. Contact page. Use this layout. And then, yeah, that's has another short code there that I'm going to need to show you what to do. Okay, so there we go. These are all the layouts, and that's how to install them. And it should look exactly, you're not going to have to do any designing, really. And you can customize it. You can change out your header, you can change out the logo, add links, add your own events. So, hope that helps, and you enjoy your new website.